How to change trending location on YouTube. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, the trending page or trending section in the YouTube app is specified to wherever region or country you are in, or wherever location your phone is set to. So in order to change the videos or the location of the trending section, you need to go and change the entire location of your YouTube app, and it goes like this. Click on the profile icon or picture at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here click on general, and then scroll down and click on location. And here you will be able to choose wherever location you want. Say for example this one, and once you do that, you go back to the explore page only to find out that the videos has been changed, and now it displays videos from another location or country which you specified. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the videos trending videos location on the YouTube app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.